Hello dear students, welcome to my channel Science Junction. Today's our topic is gram positive and gram negative bacteria. So students, वीडियो को लाइक करें, जो चैनल पर नया आए हैं वे इसे सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को दबाएं. अब वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं. नाउ कंटिन्यू विद आवर टॉपिक. सो स्टूडेंट, यू नो बेटर कि बैक्टीरिया क्या होते हैं. बैक्टीरिया आर द माइक्रोस्कोपिक लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म विच आर प्रोकैरियोटिक इन नेचर. सो बैक्टीरिया को स्टेन करने के लिए या बैक्टीरिया को डिफ्रेंशिएट करने के लिए एक टेक्निक है माइक्रोबायोलॉजी में, दैट इज नोन एज द ग्राम स्टैनिंग टेक्निक. सो फर्स्ट वी वुड लाइक टू नो अबाउट द ग्राम स्टैनिंग. व्हाट इज ग्राम स्टैनिंग? ग्राम स्टैनिंग जो टेक्निक है, इट इज गिवन बाय द डेनिश बैक्टीरियोलॉजिस्ट Hans Christian Gram in 1984. This technique is based on the ability of bacterial cell wall to retaining the crystal violet dye during the solvent treatment. This cell wall of the gram-positive microorganism have a higher peptidoglycan and lower lipid content than the gram-negative bacteria. Bacterial cell wall are stained by the crystal violet. It helps in the classification and the differentiation of different microorganisms. The CV-I complex, its mean crystal violet and iodine complex, remain within the cell, making it appear dark purple to blue in color. So we would like to know the procedure of differentiation gram-positive and negative bacteria. So first of all, we have to make the fixation of the smear on the slide. Then after we have to use the primary stain as a crystal violet. Then we have to use as a dye fixer iodine for fixing the dye. Then after we have to use the decolorizing agent, which may be the alcohol or acetone. After the decolorization, gram negative bacteria release the primary stain and take the counter stain safranin dye. After that we use the counter stain safranin, which is absorbed by the gram negative bacteria while it is retained by the gram positive bacteria. To make the bacteria is differentiated, so that this method or this technique is also known as the differential technique or differential staining. Here are few examples of gram positive and gram negative bacteria. Some examples of gram positive are the Streptococcus, Staphylococcus, Corynebacterium, Listeria, Bacillus, Clostridium. There are the examples of gram negative bacteria are the E. coli, Salmonella typhi, Shigella species, Pseudomonas aeruginosa, and the Neisseria gonorrhea, Chlamydia tracheomatis, and the one more is the Yersinia pestis. These are the gram negative bacteria. Now this in figure you can see the different structures of gram positive and negative bacteria. Here it is the cellular structure of the bacteria, which we divide into two parts to explain you the gram positive and the negative. Some of the common things are present in both of the gram negative and positive bacteria, while some differences you can see here easily or promptly, that the cytoplasmic membrane, which is very smooth in this gram positive while it is a very wavy in the gram negative. You can see the peptidoglycan layer, which is very thick in gram positive while it is very thin in the gram negative. Though with the help of this diagram you can see the major differences between the gram positive and gram negative bacteria. Here what is the gram reaction takes place? This stain will retain in crystal violet dye and stain blue or purple color in the gram positive bacteria, while this gram stain decolorize and accept the counter stain, which is safranin, and stain the bacteria in pink or red in color. Here are few more differences, as the cell wall, which is thick to 20-30 nm in gram positive while it is thick 8 to 12 nm in gram negative. Cell wall is very smooth in gram positive while it is wavy in the gram negative bacteria. Peptidoglycan layer, which is multi-layered in gram positive while it is very single layered and very thin in gram negative. In gram positive bacteria we can see the presence of teichoic acid while it is absent in gram negative bacteria. Periplasmic space, which is absent in gram positive and present in the gram negative bacteria. In the figure it can be seen very clearly. Outer membrane, which is present in the gram positive and it is absent in the gram positive bacteria. whereas the porine, which is absent in gram-positive and present in the gram-negative. When we talking about the lipopolysaccharide or LPS content, it is virtually non-present in the gram-positive bacteria, while it in high quantity it is gram-negative bacteria. Lipid and lipoprotein content are also found in very low content in gram-positive and high content in the gram-negative. Mesosomes is quite prominent in gram-positive, while it is negative and less prominent in gram-negative bacteria. Flagellar structure we can see in gram-positive, which is 2 rings in basal bodies, while it is in gram-negative 4 rings structure in basal body. When we talking about the toxin produced, so gram-positive bacteria are the exotoxins in nature, while the gram-negative are the endotoxins in nature. Gram-positive bacteria shows the physical disruptions and resistance very high towards the physical disruptions, when the gram-negative bacteria shows the low resistance. Gram-positive bacteria shows the cell wall disruptions by lysozyme in very high condition, and it is in gram-negative bacteria very low. Susceptibility towards the penicillin and other sulfonamides, it is very high toward for the gram-positive and very negative, low in the gram-negative bacteria. It also shows very low susceptibility towards the streptomycin, chloramphenicol and the tetracycline by the gram-positive bacteria, while high susceptibility shown by the gram-negative bacteria. We can see about the inhibition by the basic diet shows by high in the gram-positive but in low gram-negative bacteria. Susceptibility towards the anionic detergent shows very high in gram-positive and it shows very low in condition with the gram-negative bacteria. Resistant towards the sodium azide, which is very high in gram-positive and very low in the gram-negative. Resistant towards the drying, it is very high in gram-positive and negative in the gram-negative bacteria. These were some few differences for the gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. This whole video is dedicated to the Hans Christian Gram, which is a very famous scientist or bacteriologist who have given us this important and useful technique in the world of microbiology. So thank you so much being with me, and to continue this video and like this video, share, like and subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.